In this video, I'm just showing the results of what this CMCS714M1 miter saw did in terms of cutting a 2x6, and this is the actual results of the cut. That's the work. Okay, so this proves that this saw can actually cut bigger boards. It's a little bit more work on the saw, but it can do it. So if you have to have a few of those cuts for a project, I think you can get away with making about 4 cuts for a small project. Probably want to have 2 of these batteries, but let's go ahead and check how it's running. How much juice is still left? I started out with a fully charged 4.0 amp battery. So let's see if we can, how much juice we still got left here. Pretty good. It's not even showing any signs of a weakness at all. So let's go ahead and cut this. This is about an inch, right? 2 by 1 or so. Let's just cut it. Let's do a miter cut. Let's do a miter. Because there's a bit more effort it seems to take on the blade to do miter. So this is set at, say, 15 degrees approximately. Let's rotate it. 15 degrees in one direction and 15 degrees in the other direction. Make sure it's locked. Okay. Since this is at an awkward angle, I'm going to clamp it. It is freezing out here. It looks nice and sunny, but it is really cold. We're doing this in the middle of February. Dang. Starting to shiver. I don't know if I can be out here much longer. Okay, I'll just hold it. Ready? Okay, let's just check the battery. So we've done about 7 cuts or so, especially going through that 2x6. So the battery's only at 2. So that's not bad. That's really, really impressive. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go charge this battery and get ready for my project work that I want to do. But in summary recap, I've been able to make about, that was 1 cut. I made about 2 cuts in this. I cut this 2x6. Cut a couple of these OSBs. Now you got to keep in mind, this isn't just like crappy OSB. This stuff is for kitchen and bath flooring. So it's packed with all sorts of resins and stuff. It's super hard. This is really, really hard. It's waterproof. So don't get misled by this video that this is cheap ass OSB. This is OSB sturdy floor. This is super freaking hard. Okay, and there's lots and lots of glues and resins and waterproofing stuff in here. Okay, so when it cut this, it's cutting something pretty much different than regular old wood. So we also did this cut. So, okay, and I also did to recap, I also cut cement board. In fact, this works so well, I'm gonna even see if we can do a miter. Let's see if we can do a miter cement board cut. Let's plug in the battery. I really, really like this saw. I really, 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 really like it. I'm really happy with it. I think it's a great buy. I got it on sale. It's right now retailing at $229 at Lowe's. I think it's a great little saw for small projects. I really like the fact that it's super lightweight. It's super lightweight. I mean, it's not even a pain. You can take it anywhere. You can take it on. It's on my backyard deck. It's sitting on my table, my my deck table. Okay, this is like flimsy. I'm out here, it's freezing out here. I can take it out in the backyard. If I'm working on fence or whatever, you know, I can take it back there and do it. You can take it in your car, go on the road, go to a friend's house, go camping or whatever. If you're in Boy Scouts, take it with the kids and let them make woodworking projects. It's such a wonderful, wonderful, awesome saw. So I'm now I'm raving about this thing. It's just awesome. I was really hesitant. I was super hesitant about getting this. Just show this puppy off. I like it. I like it a lot. And not only to mention that it's made by Craftsman, which is a brand that's been around forever. Stanley Black & Decker. It's the same shop. It's the same factory that's being built as for DeWalt. Same American labor. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do the OSB at a slight angle, miter. In fact, let's just push it up a notch. It's so awesome. I can rotate the whole freaking thing. I'm sitting here on my party table, okay? I'm doing this on something that's... So, the one caveat with this, though, is, you know, we're talking about a very lightweight saw, but with that comes the danger that someone can get seriously injured. So, I mean, don't take the lightness as something to take for granted, right? You still have to be very careful with these saws. I mean, this is a super dangerous item, but it's so awesome because it's so portable. Here we go. This is a miter cut. I'm gonna go. Let's go ahead. Let's see. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to do miter cuts on a OSB board. I mean, sorry, on a cement board, but here we go. I just had to remind myself. The reason I'm not doing that completely is because this is plastic and I'm generating heat and I'm going to wind up burning up my plastic. But I just want to show you that at least you can score it. Let's just score it. And that's so cool. It lines up really beautifully. Look at that edge. Okay, go back. Oh, I'm already back. Okay, there we go. We'll go back here. Look at that. You see the line? I just want to score it. Okay. So I scored my miter board and my cement board and cut it off. That is a miter cut at an angle. That's at 30 something, 31 degrees, and over here we're at something like 28 degrees or so. Pretty wicked, pretty cool. Go get it, buy it, use it, have fun with it. Good luck.